Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. With major concerns about the lack of capital investments in key areas such as health, financial engineering firm Quantas has launched Quantas Solutions. It's a leasing company designed to drive investments into essential equipment for the health sector. The company's chief executive officer, Dr. Adrian Stokes, says it will lead to better patient outcomes while fostering economic growth.
We'll take a private healthcare facility, a healthcare provider. Let's say they want to procure, or said differently, they want to purchase a piece of equipment. They can't afford it. They'll come to us and indicate that need. We'll understand the specifications that they require. We will speak with one of the leading manufacturers. We will procure the equipment, in other words, purchase the equipment, own the equipment, and then lease the equipment to the healthcare provider. Well, not just that, we will also purchase the full maintenance program for the equipment. As you know, one of the issues that healthcare providers face.
Jamaica has seen investments in sectors such as tourism, mining, energy, as well as information and communications technology. Finance Minister Favour Williams is pushing for investments in other non-traditional areas.
More entrepreneurs to step out with good ideas because that's what we need to encourage growth in Jamaica. I know that for a long time there has been maybe a fear, but for a long time as well, government used to be the big provider of financial instruments through its debt. But now, with government receding, we need more private sector entities to come in and provide a kind of financing for different entities.
In the meantime, the finance minister today continued to meet with key players in the financial sector. Discussions were held with the president and CEO of Sagicor Group, Chris Zaka, and his team. He stressed the importance of public-private partnerships.
To drive growth, real sustainable economic growth, and look forward to working with the minister in her new role.
Mr. Zaka also pointed to the need for new avenues for economic growth.
I believe there is a huge opportunity in the country to build a civil society coalition that will work with the government and the opposition to drive growth. And that could be in so many areas. I don't want to pontificate on it. I just think what we need is the will to get it done.
The Jamaican dollar gained 5 cents against the U.S. currency during trading today. Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $159.20. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.31. $203.80 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $174.14. The JSE index declined by 2,000 points today, while the junior market index declined by 28 points. Among the 39 winners, Proven Group US dollar shares, MPC Carbon Clean Energy, MFS Capital Partners, MPC Carbon Clean Energy US dollar shares, and 138 Student Living VR Preference shares. The 60 losers include Carbon Assurance Brokers, Pulse Investments, CAC 2000, Carbon Flavors and Fragrances, and Salada Foods. 13 stocks closed the session at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.